This week, you're going to view some videos, answer some questions on some sheets that I'll send you, and be prepared by the end of the week to take a short quiz. We will study this week electrostatics. When I get back, we will continue with an exploration of electricity. So let's begin. What is electric charge? If you look it up on Google, it says, electric charge is a physical property of matter that causes matter to experience a force when placed in an electromagnetic field. There are two types of electric charges: positive and negative. Like some other topics we've covered, there's a conservation of charge. As you can imagine, it's a lot like conservation of momentum or conservation of energy. It says, the total amount of charge in the universe is constant. This means that electric charge is always conserved. Charge is given as symbol Q. The unit for charge is the coulomb, which is a letter C, which, as you can imagine, was named after Mr. Coulomb. Sometimes you'll actually see charge given as a lowercase q, and there is no standard between uppercase and lowercase q. It just is what it is. The value of the charge of a negative particle is negative 1.6 times 10 to the negative 19 coulombs. That is a very tiny quantity. The charge of positive particles has the same magnitude, but a charge of plus instead of minus. So a certain student of mine said she'd much rather watch videos of me teaching than just listening to my voice. However, it turns out to be a little more problematic than you would think, so this is all you get. When particles have like signs, like both positive or both negative, then the electric forces repel. This is referred to as repelling forces. Field lines are generated that show how they bend away from one another when they're like charge. When the signs are different, when they are unlike or oppositely charged, then we have what's called an attractive force. And these field lines will actually attract toward one another, but in a specific way. They will always go from the positive toward the negative, like this. Okay, so that was your warm-up. You will watch the next video that I give you, complete the sheet based on it, submit it on Edmodo. By the end of the week, you should have several of these that you can study off of to be prepared to take a short quiz. So behave.